How to delete duplicates. Next topic. Deleting duplicates in a table. How to delete duplicates. For such purpose, I am simply creating a new table with only one column. Create table. For example, T underscore A1 table. Simply with serial number column, I am creating, so that you will understand what is duplicated. So simply T1 is created. I am writing insert command. Insert into, what is my table name? T underscore A1 values, and simply I'm giving 1. Okay, not running. Okay, 2 and 3. The same insert I'm going to run 2 to 3 times. Okay, now after that I'm committing. Okay, now check in my table. Select star from T underscore A1. Okay, so this is my table. Now we can directly see that there are only 3 unique values, but my table is having how many records? 9 records. Okay, now I want to delete duplicates. How I can delete? So we know two-step process. By using distinct, we can find out the distinct values. Is it? How we can find out? Simply distinct. So anyhow here it's a one column. You can use one column or you can also use star, no issues. So distinct serial number from T underscore A1. What it will give? It will simply give you distinct values in your query. Is it? But in order to what we say, I want to delete, not I want to here in distinct what I am doing, I am simply checking my distinct values. So what you can do, you can create one temporary table, you can load the distinct data in that table and you can do it. So like that way I am doing now. See, simply what I will do by using the same query, so what I am doing here, so by using this command, what I will do, I will get the data, distinct value. So I will create one more table, create table T underscore A2 as distinct values of, okay, I will create some temp table instead of A2, T underscore A1 temp as this I will keep. What it will do, you will get the unique data in this table. Is it? Now you got the data into this table. Now you have the unique records, but your actual table is having duplicates. What I will do, my second step, after creating a new table, what I will do, I will truncate or delete. So simply I can use truncate or delete. So truncate table, what is my table name? T underscore A1. And what I will do, truncate table name. So my table truncated. Now check our table, it is empty now. T underscore A1. It is empty now. And the next step, what I will do, I will insert data because I have taken a backup of my distinct values. So insert into, what is our table? This table. So simply what query I can write? I can write the same query where I stored my data into temporary table. So which temporary table I told? This table, because I created it. Okay, now after this, your distinct records are inserted and you will commit it. Is it? You commit it. And now you see at the end you will drop your temp table because it is not required. Why? Because your main table is T underscore A1, so not required. Got it? So how many steps you have performed in this? So first you have created one temporary table, step 1. Okay, and then in the step 2 you truncated your actual table, and then after that what you did, you inserted data from that temporary table, and at last you dropped your temporary table which is not required. Is it? So 4 steps process you are performing. This is what, this is a very lengthy process. Is it? How can we do with single step? So that is we are going to discuss now. So how to delete duplicates in a table? Okay, we have I have shown you the first method, which is a lengthy method, but this is also good. But anyhow, now I am going to show you the quick method or method 2, you can say. So how to do it? See, I said to you in earlier row ID concept. Is it? So simply what you can write, select row ID for every serial number column. What is your table? Now again, now my table is what? Select star from same table I am taking, but now there are no duplicates. Now I will make again duplicates into my table. So now my data is unique. Why? Because just now by using method 1 we cleaned up. Now again I will perform the insert operation to make our table with more duplicates. Okay, simply I'm running. Okay, so I will run multiple times. I'm running, and then I will run these 2 records again multiple times, and last record I run again multiple times. So now see what is the data. Now I will commit also. Okay, now you see, now again our table is full of duplicates. So it is like duplicates, improper count also, like some values are more count duplicates, like that way. It is like irregular count and completely full of duplicates. So now I want to delete with a simple manner. How? So we know row ID concept. I said row ID gets generated when you insert the data. So that means for every record, there is an unique row ID. Is it? So now I will take that row ID concept and delete, which makes our work easy. So select row ID serial number from what is our table? T underscore A1. Got it? And see now, even the records are duplicates. Our row ID is unique. Is it? Records are duplicates, but row ID is unique. Even see this one we have G, this one we have D. It means for every record there is a unique row ID. Now what I will do is, by using this row ID concept, I will pick out only the max row ID for each serial number. So how I write a simple query? See, now if I use max functionality on row ID, I will get only single serial number, no? Is it? So simply see max row ID. So now you check. So we are using max function, means it's a group by function. We need to apply what? Group by serial number. So now I am getting the max row ID, because anything either max or min you can use, but you use max. Why? Because only one value max will be there for each serial number. Is it? If there are duplicates for one, So we have n number of row IDs for 1, but only max value will get with this query. Is it clear? So that means for 1 we got 1 max row ID, 1 max for 2, and 1 max for 3. Now it is easy to use delete operation. See, directly I am using delete operation. Delete from, what is your table name? T1 underscore A1. So here what I will do, where I will just delete row IDs which are not there with these values. That means these values I am getting the unique records. So except the row IDs, that means except these 3 row IDs, I will delete all the other row IDs. Then my problem gets solved. So what I will use, where row ID not in, I will write the same query. So here no need to take 2 columns. Why? Because I want to display only row ID. So I will simply keep max row ID so that only 1 column you will get. And the same query I am going to keep in what? In my sub query. So see, now I will get except these 3 row IDs. That means not in these IDs, the record gets deleted in 1 step. See, now single step you are deleting the other 18 records. Clear? See, actually, now you will check our table whether our duplicate records are deleted. T underscore A1. See. So what step we use it? A simple step, only single step. So delete from T underscore A1, where row ID, I don't want to delete only max row IDs I want to keep. So rather with respect to serial number, I will pick only 1 row ID for each serial number and rest of the row IDs I deleted. So that made my work very easy and simple. Now I will check it, and what I will do, simply I use commit operation. Clear? So now in 1 step I achieve which task? Deleting duplicates from the table. Is it?